Hello students, today I will discuss extracts from lesson A Truly Beautiful Mind with you. A Truly Beautiful Mind, as all of you know, this chapter is about Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein, undoubtedly the greatest scientist of the 20th century, was born on March 14, 1879, in a German city. He was considered an unusual child by his mother because he was having a big head and he was a late talker. He did not mix and play with his playmates, and Maja was his younger sister. And a little freakish by temperament, Einstein often clashed with his teachers. He was highly gifted in mathematics and physics. He graduated at the age of 21. In 1903, he got married with Milva Merrick. They had two sons, but their marriage failed and they finally got divorced in 1919. Einstein married his cousin Elsa in the same year. He got a job as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. Here, he not only assessed the inventions of other scientists but also developed his own ideas. In 1905, he published in quick succession four research papers about the light, the motion of particles, and the electrodynamics of moving bodies and energy. He became immensely popular. He was considered a genius. Einstein won Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921, and his work was highly praised by the press. And in his later years of life, he worked for world peace and democracy. Now, let us start with first extract. He also felt a special interest in a fellow student, Milva Merrick, whom he found to be a clever creature. This young Serb had come to Switzerland because the university in Zurich was one of the few in Europe. तो ये एक्सट्रैक्ट है जो आपके इस चैप्टर में से ही लिया गया है. सो इससे रिलेटेड फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हु इज क्लेवर क्रिएचर एंड यंग सर्ब इन दिस पैसेज. यहाँ पे क्लेवर क्रिएचर और यंग सर्ब किसे बोला गया है? सर्ब मीन्स अ पर्सन फ्रॉम सर्बिया, अ कंट्री इन यूरोप. तो किसके बारे में यहाँ बात करी गई है? सो आंसर इज ऑफ कोर्स इट इज अबाउट मिल्वा मैरिक. Okay, who is clever creature and young Serb? Milva Merrick, a fellow student with Einstein, is referred to as a clever creature and young Serb. Next question, why did young Serb come to Switzerland? तो वो स्विट्जरलैंड क्यों आए थे मिल्वा मैरिक? जैसा कि हमने चैप्टर में पढ़ा था कि वो ज्यूरिक में उस यूनिवर्सिटी को ज्वाइन करने आई थी. ओके, that was one of the few in Europe that provided education to girls. Next, what was the attitude of Einstein towards the young Serb? So answer is, he was attracted to her, he liked her because she was an intelligent girl and he saw in her an ally. What is the meaning of ally? With whom you find some connection. Okay. Next question, which word in the passage means center of higher learning? तो यहाँ पे कौन सा वर्ड है जिसका मीनिंग सेंटर ऑफ हायर लर्निंग हो सकता है? तो वो वर्ड है यूनिवर्सिटी. यूनिवर्सिटी इज द वर्ड दैट मीन्स सेंटर ऑफ हायर लर्निंग हेयर. Coming to next extract. This time he wrote a public missive to the United Nations. In it, he proposed the formation of a world government. Unlike the letter to Roosevelt, this one made no impact. And the first question is, who is he here? यहाँ पे he कौन है? Of course, Einstein, Albert Einstein. So he is referred to Einstein here. Okay, हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, he is Einstein here. Okay, next, write the name of the chapter. The name of the chapter is A Truly Beautiful Mind. Next, what did Einstein write and to whom? So Einstein wrote a letter to United Nations proposing the formation of a world government. Next question, Find a word from the extract that means a long and official letter. So answer is, the word is missive. Missive का meaning होता है a long and official letter. Now let us read next extract. The pair finally got married in January 1903, had two sons, but a few years later the marriage faltered. Okay, and the first question is, name the pair referred to in the above lines. तो ये कौन से पेयर की बात हो रही है? The pair referred to in the above lines is of Albert Einstein and Milva Merrick. Okay, next, what happened to their marriage? So their marriage was not successful. Okay, why did their marriage falter? उनकी marriage successful क्यों नहीं थी, क्यों fail हुई? Okay, Milva was losing her intellectual ambition and was becoming an unhappy wife. मिल्वा जो थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट और एम्बिशियस गर्ल थी, तो उसको लग रहा था कि शादी के बाद वो अपना एम्बिशन जो है वो लूज कर रही है, एंड gradually she became an unhappy wife. So these were extract from this chapter. Revise them.